Have you ever just wondered, we don't buy clothes anymore, we create skins? If you look at your Instagram feed or a crowded street in Seoul or New York, people aren't just following one trend. They are playing a real-life RPG. One person is just giving cybergoth, the person next to them is a cottagecore, and the other is just old money. We are officially entered the era of character selection. Today we are diving into the psychology of personalization. Why is Gen Z obsessed with having a lore? Why do we feel we need to customize every single piece in our outfits? From our phone cases to our bags and some vintage jackets. Is it narcissism or is just a survival tactic for a digital age? Let's break down the science of why you are the main character. Back in the day, there was a global trend for decades, like just one look per decade. In 90s, everyone wanted to be grunge. In 20s, it was Y2K, but in 2026, trends are dead. Now, we just have cores. We are experiencing the digital hyper-individualist because internet shows us everything at once. We've stopped trying to be fitted in. Instead, we are just trying to signal. Your clothes is just your metadata. When you are wearing a specific core, you are telling the people your music taste, your political views, and your hobbies without even saying a word. You are choosing your faction. Why is a $10 thrift store shirt that you painted yourself is more valuable than a $500 designer piece? It's called the IKEA Effect. Psychologists found out human brain loves to have something that they've helped with creating it. When you customize a jacket, add a pin here, a tear there, you are just adding your DNA and your coolness into a garment. Customization is our way to just fighting out the algorithm. The algorithm wants us to buy the viral Zara vest. By customizing it, we are just saying you can't categorize me. People love to hate on the main character syndrome, but in fashion, a self-actualization. The Gen Z just doesn't want a cute outfit. They want a story. So why did you just buy a Napoleon jacket? Like just the specific Napoleon jacket. Maybe it represents your interest in historical power. Why the baggy cargos? Maybe it's just your urban survivalist persona. We use clothes as cognitive scaffolding. If I dress like a boss, my brain just starts acting like a boss. It's not fake, it's just a tool. We are buying and building the version of ourselves that we want to become. In video games, the best items aren't in a shop. They are found in hidden chests. They are exactly how Gen Z views thrifting. In the past, a status is just how much money you spent. Now, status is just something that is hard to find. The flex of saying it's vintage, it's just an ultimate flex for Gen Z. It means your character just traveled, explored, and found the legendary loot. It adds weight to your personality. So what's your takeaway? We are living in a world that turns us into NPCs with no face, with no name, and just customers. But through personalization and customization and character design, we are just fighting back. Your style isn't just about looking good to the other people. It's about building a home for your soul in a world that moves too fast. Don't just wear the clothes, you can write a history with your clothes. What's your current character class? Let's talk about this in the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friend. See you next time. Bye bye.